Hi everyone, fantastic to see you today. I'm here to talk about some incredibly exciting news taking place at Steelite International. All of you will recall a little over a year ago when we announced our partnership with Utopia Tableware in the nude glass line. The partnership has kicked off and has been fantastic for our business. As a result, and as we have worked more and more closely with Utopia, we recognize the synergies between the two businesses, both from a business standpoint and a cultural standpoint. We had so much respect for what Mark Rommel and his team built in Chesterfield, England, that we've taken the opportunity to purchase the business. So Steelite International today acquired the Utopia business in Chesterfield, England, and the two businesses will be combined as one. We think it's a monumental acquisition for our business. Mark will continue to work in the business for the next several years. His entire team will continue to be at the business, and we could not be more happy and delighted to welcome all the folks at Utopia into the Steelite family. Our management team will be briefing you on how the integration will take place and the timing. But today, I hope you'll join me in welcoming the folks at Utopia into the Steelite family, and I hope that you share our excitement and enthusiasm about what is going to be a fantastic merger together. Thanks very much, everyone.